Oh, hello. This is Mr. Burr. Oh, hi, Dr. Johnson. How are you? Well, actually, I'm having a cup of coffee right now. Oh, you're telling me how many cups during the year that I can't go over? How many? 1,000,000? Oh. Oh, okay, Dr. Johnson. I can't go over 1,200 cups of coffee a year. 1,200? That's my limit? Oh, okay. I got some serious work to do. Because I think I might be over, which means I need to cut back. Well, okay. Thanks for your time, Dr. Johnson. Bye-bye. Oh, man. I really got to cut back on my coffee. I think I need to, instead of estimating, I really need to know the exact number of cups of coffee I'm drinking.
Mr. Byrne,
What?
how are you? Drinking coffee.
Yeah.
I know that.
Mr. Press.
Everything is right? I see you serious.
Well,
Look
I
at
just
your
got.
hand. Look at your hand.
What?
Look at your hand.
What's wrong with it?
Look at that.
What the?
You're going to split the coffee.
I can't stop.
You should. Oh, Mr. Byrne. Oh, I need to talk to you.
Mr. Perez, guess what?
Tell me.
I just got off the phone with my doctor.
What
And
did he say?
he's- he said that I cannot exceed 1,200 cups of coffee.
But I already told you yesterday. I did an estimation. Don't you remember? Come here. Come here. Come
You
here.
told me, but you're not a doctor, Mr. Perez.
Okay. I did the estimation. Do you remember? Was 4 cups,
Uh-huh.
and I estimate like 400
Right.
because a year is 365,
Uh-huh.
and I told you 1,600. It's an estimation. What's the problem?
I understand that. I wasn't sure. I kind of needed a doctor to tell me. But here's what the doctor told me. He said that I really should only have 2 cups a day.
Oh, that's a problem. So, do you want to? ¿Quieres que calculemos the accurate number? Do you want we? Oh, that makes sense.
Well, you know, we've done a pretty nice job of estimating our
Yeah,
products.
1,600, but you need to know exact number.
Exact multiplication answers using a number story. Can you help me with that, Mr. Perez?
Yo creo que sí. Estimation, la estimación está aquí, but I can tell you that if you want the exact, you are in trouble. Look at this. 4 cups you are having a day, multiply times 365. This is
Okay.
the operation you need now.
That's correct.
So, come on.
Okay, help me out with that, please.
What happened is over 1,200. What happened?
Well, then
To you?
I have major side effects. I'm going to be shaky, but I don't know why they say shaky. Do you?
No.
Okay. Well, so maybe I'm not over.
No, maybe not. Let's see.
Okay.
4 times 5.
20.
Okay. 4 times 6.
24 plus 2. 24, 25, 26.
4 times 3.
12.
Plus 2.
Oh,
Mr.
no.
Byrne, you're in trouble. This is the exact number. This is the accurate multiplication. I'm sorry.
Ooh.
You definitely are over that number. I was suspecting because the estimating was bigger than your, but now I can confirm that you are in trouble. Tú tienes problemas.
Okay.
Yo ya lo vi, 1,600 es
Ajá.
lo que yo estimé.
Yeah.
1,600 y estaba muy alto, pero ahora te puedo decir que el número exacto es 1,460, Mr. Byrne. Tienes un gran problema.
Mr. Perez, I do notice that you did what we would call a traditional algorithm with your multiplication. That's a nice job on that.
Okay. You want to show that...
Let me just make sure that's okay. I'm going to use a partial product algorithm.
But don't trick me. It has to be the same result. Don't try now to pretend
right,
that you are not in trouble.
I just want to make sure that's accurate. So,
Ahora no quieras fingir que no estás en problemas.
All right.
A ver qué vas a hacer.
365
Ajá.
times 4.
365 por 4.
All right. I know this.
That's a lot.
I'm hoping this number's smaller. I know the value of this 3 is 300. Times my 4 is in the ones place.
Uh-oh.
Yeah. This is in the ones.
Uh-huh.
3 times 4 is 12. Add 2 zeros.
That's what the doctor told you.
Hmm.
No, but you have to continue. Don't stop
See, I'm
because
okay.
No, you're not
Oh.
okay. You have 2 more numbers here, digit.
Okay. So no, you're right. I have to multiply the
Yes.
6 by the 4. Now that 6 is not a 6.
It's a 60.
Ones, tens. It's 60.
60. Es el valor
No.
posicional, 60. No es 6.
6 times 4 is 24. Add a 0.
Uh-oh.
240. That's not good. My columns are lined up.
No, you don't stop. You
Ah.
have one more.
I'm so
Don't
shaky right now. I
Don't
can't,
try to trick
can't
me.
think so well. 5 times 4. That 5 is in the ones. And
Ajá.
that 4 is in the ones.
Son 5 unidades multiplicado por 4
20.
unidades.
Okay.
Now, look at that.
This is not good. Let me line everything up. Looks good. 0.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
Match.
0 cups. Oh.
No,
4
now
plus
continue.
2 is 6.
6. Continue.
4.
Exactly the same number.
I
You
see.
know what? Look at that.
Mm-hmm.
Exactly the same. So you are in trouble.
I understand as 4th graders, I have evidence. You know how we look for evidence in reading? I have evidence that I need to cut down my coffee consumption.
Chicos de cuarto grado, me voy a comerme mis muffins.
Wait a sec, Mr. Perez. What did we talk about with your eating yesterday?
I have changed. Look at that. Now it's not ham. Sausages.
Brother.
It's not better?
Sausage, that comes from pork as well. That's the same. If
Oh
not.
man, you ruin my breakfast every day.
So you know what, Mr. Perez? Yesterday with you, we found an estimate. I think we should find the exact number of sandwiches you are eating per year.
Oh, that's a good idea.
Okay. 4th grade, we gotta. Sometimes it's important to estimate products like we did yesterday, but you know now we have to know exact. There's times in our life, and I'm sorry, I had to know it with my coffee, but we need to know exactly how many sandwiches Mr. Perez is eating. We need exact.
Exact. Okay, it was 2 a day, multiply 365. 2 multiplicado por 365 días que hay en un año. Vamos a hacerlo. You want to do partial or
Your choice.
traditional? Okay. Traditional.
Traditional.
10, 1 here, 13,
Carry your 1.
okay.
2 times 3 is 6. 730 pork sandwiches a year? You know what?
That is less than we estimate, so I'm happy.
That's a lot of cholesterol.
We estimate 800.
You know what? I think if you're over 500, that's bad.
Okay, so I'm going to put some fish on them. Salmon?
Maybe salmon.
Okay.
Maybe we should show real quick partial product because that's another objective here just to double check. 365 times 2. Value of the 3 again.
300.
300 times 2.
600.
600.
600. Vale, ya tenemos uno. 60
Mm-hmm.
por 2. 120.
12 out of 0.
Y por último, 5 por 2. 10.
5 times 2. 10.
5 por 2.
Oh.
No, don't worry.
Okay.
5 por 2, 10.
Okay, here we go. Hopefully these match up.
0.
0.
3.
Check. 3. Check. 6 plus 1 is 7.
Yes.
Well, yes, we have the same answer, but we have double evidence that you are eating too many pork sandwiches.
I will put salmon. I promise.
I also have double evidence that Mr. Burr is drinking way too much coffee. I think I'm going to switch to tea.
Tea? No. Maybe juice is better.
Maybe
Juice,
juice?
orange juice, yes, because
Okay.
tea also, it's kind of like caffeine. So
Okay, well, whatever.
change into something that calms you down, okay?
Okay,
Very nervous.
fourth graders,
Chicos de cuarto grado, pondré salmón en mis sándwiches.
please, for tonight, think of an example where you need to know an exact number when it's very important to have an exact number, and maybe when it's okay to have a good estimate.
Para esta noche, piensen en un ejemplo donde tenemos que tener un número exacto como resultado y otro ejemplo donde un número estimado esté bien para el resultado. Piensen en esos dos ejemplos, exacto, estimado.
See you tomorrow. Sorry.
Hasta mañana.